Alright guys, it's finally here. 8 powerful ingredients in one easy to use bag. We're talking colostrum for gut reset, collagen peptides for your skin, cacao flavonoids, which actually rejuvenates the skin in a 24-week study by the NIH, and it also doubles your stem cells when taken over 30 days. We also have 3 functional mushrooms with over 6,000 milligrams. We're talking lion's mane, which is great for the brain, also Reishi and Chaga, which is amazing for the immune system. It goes great with coffee. It almost tastes like you're drinking a chocolate bar. And the best part about this is that there was a 24-week blind case study by the NIH that showed cacao flavonoids will actually decrease your facial wrinkles in about 24 weeks. Also, the functional mushrooms light up the brain, and the colostrum helps to reset my gut. It tastes like a Mexican hot chocolate, or what my dad says, like melting a chocolate bar into your coffee. Alright, so since this is a brand new product, for the next 72 hours, when you add a bundle with Ageless and Awaken, we're going to give you either a free creatine, the monohydrate creatine, which is amazing, or a free whisk. So simply click on the link below and give yourself an internal facelift.